Hi everyone! In this video, we're exploring Kynetics Update Factory, the all-in-one platform for IoT updates and device management for embedded Android devices. If you manage large or geographically distributed device fleets and need a reliable way to keep every device up to date, Kynetics Update Factory delivers a streamlined, scalable solution for end-to-end update management. With Update Factory, you can easily roll out OTA updates, monitor device health in real time, and ensure consistent, secure performance across your entire fleet, no matter its size. Every device stays fully managed and always runs at its best, backed by fast access to new features, improvements, and the latest security updates. Update Factory is designed and optimized for Android-based embedded systems, featuring an Android device agent that integrates smoothly with your kiosk application for seamless communication with the server. One of the core capabilities of Update Factory is deploying application and OS updates remotely. Over-the-air updates are essential for ensuring the security, stability, and long-term reliability of devices operating in the field. With Update Factory, the workflow is clean and consistent. You start by uploading the required artifacts, whether that's an application artifact such as an APK or a full system OTA image. These artifacts are then organized into a distribution, where you define exactly what gets installed or updated. Once the distribution is ready, updates can be deployed to a single device, a group of devices, or your entire fleet. You can push updates instantly or schedule them for a specific time window and specify if user approval is required. Update Factory can track versions, signatures, custom metadata automatically, giving you fine-grained rollout control. During deployment, Update Factory provides visibility into the state of each device. You can monitor download progress, installation status, and detailed logs. Whether you're deploying complete OTA upgrades or individual applications, you always know what's happening. Another unique feature of Update Factory is the device control updates. A DCU is a powerful update type designed to execute targeted tasks on a device. It delivers a temporary Android artifact that performs a specific action and is removed automatically once the task is finished. Imagine an accelerometer-based vibration sensor on a machine that occasionally reports random spikes and false alarms because of a firmware bug in its filtering and threshold logic. You simply create a small Android Studio project, integrate Kynetics DCU API, implement your firmware update logic, build the DCU, and then trigger a single Gradle task to publish the resulting APK as a software module and distribution directly to Update Factory, turning upload and packaging into a seamless step of your normal build. Once deployed, the UF Android service installs the DCU application, runs the update procedure, sends back the result, and removes the application when the job is done. This workflow is ideal for focused maintenance tasks such as system configuration changes, component resets, peripheral updates, or other specialized operations. Update Factory also provides secure remote access and debugging. It allows you to connect to any device in your fleet, just as if it were plugged directly into your computer. You can inspect stack traces, manage files, run shell commands, and even export the device screen remotely and interact with it. This dramatically speeds up troubleshooting and removes the need for on-site support. With Update Factory, managing your IoT ecosystem has never been easier. Deploy application and OS updates seamlessly, develop and push device control updates to keep your fleet optimized, and perform remote debugging and interaction, all over the air. No matter the scale, Update Factory ensures your devices are secure, consistent, and performing at their best. Take control of your IoT devices today and experience effortless management from anywhere in the world. Contact us to know more about Update Factory and request a free trial to start your remote fleet management today.